Say home so that ngala makhui pam ngala makhui le pam dak le la ki ba ko khyon ki khyon ni cho say ba home ke ngala hui ngala ke say ba homo ke Hello. Some you know what they get zakai like us him home because it's living palakai akha sam nei. Jana it to me some majuma they papam release home the in English. After dyeing the color, the blue, green, what color is this? Looking after a cow is not that a good idea. So you should think before you apply to anything. So this is my new look. This is my new cows. This is the reason why I'm still single. People are telling me why you are still bachelor, why you are not dating any girls. I'm sorry, girls. I say I'm busy here. This is business. This is business. So study well. You know when you still have time, study well, or else you'll be like me. Looking after cows. But this is peaceful. Hey, what a color. See, yesterday I was in the parlor and people thought I am doing a great job. I am holding a good position in a very good company, but here I am. This is where I got my own inspiration, my motivation. Looking at the cows, it inspires me to work harder, to eat well. So I thought after I dye my hair color I'll look more handsome, but I think I am matching with my cows more. The grasses are green, the places are green, my hairs are green. What so we should not dye our hair color before we realize what we are going to do. Hey, chalo ji. Yeah. So life is hard, but cows are harder. This is life. Oh, my hair, I'm sorry it's not matching with me, but then once in a lifetime, when I'm still a bachelor, let me just keep my hair long and let me tie my hair. Oh, wow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, friends. If you don't like my hair color and my hairstyle and my face, I'm so sorry. Forgive me for... Wow, what a cow. Wow. I love you, gals. I love you more than a girl. I love you more than girls. You are my heart. You are my future. You are going to fill my stomach. Okay, guys. I'm leaving for... Hey. It's not easy going on for a morning walk along with my cows and trying to see if any cars are coming and try to attack to them, straight attack to them. No more mercy. But I am not going to attack in a way what you are thinking. No. I'm going to attack them to look after my cows for a while so that I can go for a photo shoot. Just kidding. Whoa, see, guys. If you're still lazy and if you're still in the bed sleeping, if you're still sleeping, wake up, man. It's time to get up, and enjoy this beautiful scenery. Have a healthy life. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. So there's no time to sleep for a long time. Let's get up and let's start working. Wow, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful morning. I wish to take out my car here and this is the place where I am looking forward to go out for a date in future. If any one of you watching this video, I'm sorry guys for now. Since I'm a guy, I'll tell to girls, if any girl is interested in me, please inbox me. Time is running short. Just kidding. Thank you so much for your support, for your time, for everything. See you in my next video. Okay, I'm hungry. I am going to take care of you. You are safe when you're with me. So who wants to come with me?